Valentine's Day is coming. Maybe your significant other's favorite restaurant is fully booked, or you simply forgot to make the reservation. If you're dining at home and don't know what to make, here's a spaghetti carbonara recipe for you straight out of the electric kitchen. First, boil a pot of water. Salt your water before adding your spaghetti pasta in. I'm measuring with my eye for this, adding a large handful of spaghetti in. That should be enough for 2 people. While we wait for the pasta to cook, let's prep the rest of our ingredients. Get 3 cloves of garlic and mince it. We're going to use 1/3 of an onion. You're going to dice it. Chop some Italian parsley for a garnish. We're using about 4 ounces of pancetta. We're going to chop it into bite-sized cubes. Now the recipe calls for 4 eggs. You can use 1 or 2 eggs less for this 2-person meal if you want. I'm sticking to the 4 to follow the recipe. Grate some Parmesan cheese over your eggs. Then we're going to whisk it. You can use a fork if you don't have a whisk. Season your eggs with salt and pepper. Don't use too much salt since the pasta is cooking in salt water and the pancetta is naturally salty. Check if your pasta is done cooking. Save some of the water for later before draining your pasta through a colander. I like it al dente. Get a large pan. Bring your heat to high. Add virgin olive oil to the pan. Throw in the onion first, then the pancetta, then the garlic. Stir the 3 until the pancetta gets brown and crispy. Reduce your heat to medium to avoid burning the ingredients. Add in your cooked pasta. Take a spoon and add in some of the pasta water from earlier to help form the sauce. Turn your heat off. Add in the egg mixture. Constantly stir your pasta. Keep stirring to stop the eggs from scrambling. Don't worry if it does. The texture of the pasta just won't be as nice, but it'll still be delicious. Once the texture of the pasta looks good, plate it. Garnish it with the Italian parsley from earlier. Shred some more Parmesan on top. There you go. Spaghetti carbonara for Valentine's Day dinner at home. To get the original recipe for spaghetti carbonara from the electric kitchen, please visit hawaiianelectric.com/recipes.